Let's start with lemon essential oil. And this one is an essential oil in my house because we use it for disinfecting. Lemon is a great disinfectant. So I use it in my homemade cleaner. So what I do is I get a spray bottle and I put vinegar, water, and lemon essential oil in that spray bottle, and we use it for counters. And I use it on the kitchen table, on the counters. I use it in the bathroom. It's just really great as a disinfecting oil. The other way I use lemon essential oil is in my diffuser. Now, this is an essential oil diffuser. You may have seen so many different diffusers. This one I got on Amazon for like $14. Because I have 3 of these around the house, because many times I'm like sending my kids to, put oils in the diffusers, I don't really buy the expensive ones because if they break, then I'm going to I just spent $50 on that diffuser and now it's broken. So this one this works just as well. And it was $14. So all you do is you open it up and you put water in it, and then you put like 10 drops of whatever essential oil you want to diffuse, and you can mix oils, right? So this morning, I almost never put hairspray in my hair, and I don't know why this morning I decided to grab the hairspray bottle and put hairspray in my hair, but then it smelled like so strong. I guess because I'm not really used to like chemical smells, and then I was like, oh, this is why I don't use hairspray. I should just throw this stuff out. So what I did was I put water in here, I put lemon essential oil, and I diffused it in the air, and it really just helped to just knock out that like chemically smell that I had just put in the air. But even not like in situations like that, even just to keep my house like really, kind of getting the germs out and disinfecting the air, I will use lemon essential oil. The other way that I use it is I will put 2 drops of lemon essential oil in the washing machine before I run the clothes. So I have 2 young boys, and they just have a way of getting dirty, stinky, smelly. If there's dirt, like they're in it. So I will put regular detergent, in the laundry when I wash their clothes. But then I also put 2 drops of lemon essential oil. And now that my oldest is really doing a lot of their laundry, I have taught him to do the same. So I just feel like just that extra added, like knock out the stink from their clothes. And it really helps. The other place where I put it is in the dishwasher. So when I run the dishwasher, I put the regular detergent in the dishwasher, and then I put 2 drops of lemon essential oil. And then when it runs the dishwasher, it really helps to keep it like disinfected. So I don't know if you've ever noticed, but some like bacteria can accumulate in your dishwasher, and even like that pink scum, like whatever it is, I'm pretty sure that's bacteria. I will put lemon essential oil in it. And I do have another essential oil that I use as well. I do use tea tree oil in it as well, but not as often. Like, I don't necessarily think that it will ruin your dishwasher at all. I mean, I've been doing it for so long and my dishwasher is still in great shape. But I don't know, might be something that you might want to check out. But that's the other way that I use it. So, in a cleaning solution, in the clothes washer, the dishwasher, diffuse it so it goes in the air. The other thing you can do is you can get these amber bottles, and I got these on Amazon, and you can just put water in them and then like a couple drops of any essential oil that you want to spray in the air. Specifically, again, I think lemon is really good, and then just spray it around a room. If it smells and you just want to disinfect it, you can use a amber spray bottle.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click here to watch more videos that will help you live a peaceful and healthy life. You may also want to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so be sure to turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I post something new. If you want to learn more about how to live the best, healthiest, and most fulfilling life available to you, go to IsabelDPrice.com today. I'll see you soon.